Hey guys, hello again. Today I bring you a very special video. It's an installation of NRG quick release and a Momo steering wheel on my AE86, and I'm only doing this because of a very pressing concern, that is anti-theft. So I came across the steering hub and the adapter and the quick release and then the lock by NRG, which is a set of 3 pieces that you can install in your car, and they help you, they lock the steering column using a very hard piece that you can you can block the steering column with it. Just lock it up with a key, and then you can even leave the steering wheel on your car, not having to carry it around Fast and Furious style. So that's my reason for doing this. Now let's get on with the goods. Now this is the parts I've been ordering. This is a Momo steering wheel. This actually came from Italy, from a seller in Italy. And this is the quick release by NRG with the matching Toyota Hub. And then the lock, which is the part that protects the steering column against thieves. These are all black, and the steering wheel is a style that, well, it's not very common, but I wanted something more in line with the AE86 style, so I ordered a 3-spoke steering wheel called the Momo Retro, and I will show you. It comes with a very nice set of instructions in a very smooth paper. You can, if any of you have access to a Lancia or a Fiat manual, you will recognize this kind of instructions and this kind of illustrations because they are reminiscent of Italian cars. And they come with the steering wheel comes with a detailed instructions manual for the installation, to help you get the most out of your installation and ensure a safe driving experience. As for the steering wheel itself, it's rather simple design. It is wrapped in a rugged leather. It's not smooth. Well, it's smooth, but it has a textured feel to it. As for the stitching, you can see that it's stitched all around in white stitching, which matches the grey interior of the car. I did not want anything red because it would not match the rest of the car. It is the rear is molded for your fingers to grip. You can see the ups and downs on the rear of the wheel. It has a slight deep corner to it. It's not too much. I did not want anything radical like a rally wheel, but it's your personal choice, of course. And you can see that the seams, the matching seams are very well done, very well executed, and a high quality product, in my opinion. The Momo logo is embossed on this spoke here. You can see the Momo logo, and this follows a standard 6-volt pattern with for the aftermarket steering wheel hubs, and I believe that this will be a style that will match the AE86 quite well. People go for the Nardi steering wheels, maybe. You can see a lot of AE86s with those Nardi steering wheels. Those are very pretty, very nice, but I wanted something different. So I went with this one. This is the horn that comes with the wheel. It is a fairly standard horn, just it's a horn button. It says Momo Italy on the face, and it has 4 pins to hold it on the center of the steering wheel, like so, and then a pin to connect the horn to it. That's it for the aftermarket steering wheel, which the model is Momo Retro. This cost me around 150 euros for the steering wheel and the horn. The first thing you notice is the high quality of the packaging, because it has an underlying shining face. It looks like a rainbow. You can see the colors changing for the steering wheel. I decided to buy this instead of cheap Chinese hub adapters, because in time those may be cheap, but in time they will develop play in the steering wheel, and they may put you in danger. So I decided not to spare money, not to save on this. Also in Portugal there is a yearly inspection, the equivalent of the MOT for the UK. I don't know if it's the same in your country, but in our country we have a yearly inspection, and if the inspectors detect play in your steering wheel, they will say that the car is not suitable for going into the road. So I decided to avoid all these problems and buy myself something that I can depend on, and that will not bring me any problems down the road. Now, all introductions made, let's start with the unboxing. By the way, this cost me around 260, 270 euros, including packaging and posting. Nice packaging all around. It's fully black cardboard, and here we can see the quick release for the wheel. NRG supplies all the required bits you will need to install your quick release. This includes the 6 bolts for your steering wheel, and an adapter, and a ring that I do not know the purpose of this, but I will figure it out when the installation begins. Okay, back in the box. Now for the quick release hub, which is the second box. Same high quality packaging. This is the short hub version. It has the electrical connectors for the horn, and then the main reason why I bought all this stuff, which is the quick lock. This part here, you can see this is a high quality material. It's made out of sturdy metal, and the quality of the machining is very good. It has a keyhole to put your key, that allows you to even leave the steering wheel in the car, not having to carry it around. This also has a holder, from what I can see. Then here come the keys. You have 2 keys for this. That's it for the introductions. Now I will be installing this in the car, so this will continue in the car.